How you doing tonight? Tonight I want to make a quick, simple macaron. Now I have the egg white. I cook my sugar to basically a soft peak um, meringue stage. So I have the cook the sugar already, but I was not gonna make this video. But I just think I was just gonna share my unique way how to make a meringue, um, and also a macaron. So today we're gonna make a chocolate macaron, and it's a very simple, easy way how to make this. So me and one of my colleagues at work, we making meringue, and I realized that they have like a crack on the top, always like basically like sunk in. So we tried a different way how to make it. Moving on. So I have I make my meringue. I cook the sugar and to soft peak with my whites, and then I slowly added my my mixture, 1/4 of the cocoa powder. You add the cocoa powder and also powder sugar and almond flour together, and then basically just dump add it to that. But always remember to sift your almond flour. So fold it in. Once you fold it in, don't fold it too much. Once you fold it too much, you're gonna have cracks. Slowly fold it in, and reaching at the folding stage, then you add the next 1/4 of the meringue in there, and then you start folding again. But you don't want to mix it too much. Always test the temperature. You can use your hand wrist just to test the temperature to see, because you don't want it too hot, because once it's too hot, it's basically gonna um, broke your whole batter of meringue. You probably have to dump that over, dump it out, and start all over again. You fold it in. You take your time and fold it in. I get a little messy there, but don't watch the messiness. I'm so sorry about that. But watch the end product, and then you're gonna see the process of this meringue, the macarons. So once you fold it in, scrape the side. You can use a spatula, or you can use a scraper, a plastic scraper or so, and fold it properly and more cleaner than the way I did it. So moving on forward, take your time, nice turn, get into the bottom of it, nice turn, and then you move on to the next stage. Add the next finishing of the meringue. Fold that in. Once you fold that in, take your time, fold everything in. And this way is very easy, because I used to do it the next way. Then you just add um, the mixture, and then you add basically the meringue, and basically at last, and you fold that in, and it doesn't work that good. It all depends on the climate, and if they have a climate change, and it comes good sometimes, sometimes it doesn't work. But this way is very easy, I'm telling you. I try it, and the first time, and it worked, and then I just do a test batch today, a small test batch, to see with a different flavor. You can use pistachio instead of the chocolate. Substitute the cocoa powder. Just take out the cocoa powder and just add pistachio inside, and you can have pistachio macarons. And this way was very easy, fast, and I get it done. And I want you to see the end product of my macarons. So what I'm looking for a nice tear, not like um, I need a nice silky drop. That's what I'm looking for. As you can see, it's not ready yet. When it's set, it's supposed to just basically flat straight out. So I'm still hanging in there, looking for that nice turn, and I'm always almost ready for the finishing stage right now. It looked pretty good, so I'm just continuing. You can't overmix it, you can't mix it too much, and then this is the finishing product. Once you pipe it, once you pipe it, it's gonna basically flat out by itself. You don't have to even tap the bottom of the sheet pan. It just basically do its own thing, and it's gonna basically flat out by itself. But I still tap it. Then you basically just like push a little bit, but not too much. Give it room, give it a lot of room so it can basically um, spread by itself. I normally do basically a 20 cent size, 25 cent size, and it worked like a magic. So this is it. There you go. And you just basically do the same thing. As you can see, the ones that I pipe, it basically you don't even have to let it sit out. For a lot of people, let it sit out and it have a skin on it. You don't have to do that. It basically have a skin that real fast, and that's the look. That's how it looks. And as you can see, you can't leave it out too long because it's gonna ruin. You're gonna have to make this over if you leave it out a long time. Fast, ready, done in the oven. Sorry about that. The oven was a little, the glass was a little scratchy. So, and this is a finishing product of the meringue, of the, I'm keeping saying the meringue, sorry, the macarons. And there you have it, chocolate macarons. It's beautiful. Nice, nice volume, nice shine on it. You just put it in the freezer and let it set. Once it's set, um, chocolate. I'm gonna plate up two different types of chocolate, um, chocolate macarons. It's very easy, and if you're doing like basically like a plated for like a VVIP, this is the easiest, simple way how to get it done. Okay, so first you have your card, and I'm gonna place my card on top, and just like so. Just like so. Very easy. Watch what I'm doing right here. Just making a decoration with the card, and also with the, just like that. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna have a cocoa powder, and get some cocoa powder. And you're gonna put a little bit of cocoa powder. All right, dust the cocoa powder. All the way on top of the card. What we're trying to get here, we're trying to get the design of the card, okay? Just like that. Then you're gonna basically take your time and pull around just like that, so you get the design of the card. So we're gonna do two different flavors, as we in the first video. So pretty easy. Let's go with the smaller ones. I'm gonna join it. Pretty easy. And we're gonna also decorate the plates, okay? Chocolate fudge. Easy. And also, I have a little tip of gold dust. Mix with any form of light alcohol. You can use vodka or whatever of your choice. Very easy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stripe my just a little stripe, nice thin stripe, just like that. And you can just place it so you can see the design of the plate. I'm gonna do the next one. I already have these garnish already. Just like that. I put this away right here. I have a couple more over here. I'm gonna top it off just like that. You can put it right on there just to give it a little elevation so you can see the design of the plate. And also you can go with the yellow. We'll top it off to bring out the color. And then also I have some mango, dehydrated mango. You can just like a little sprinkle around the plate to highlight it. Pretty simple. Then we're gonna do the next one, okay? Okay. Then you're gonna lift the fork just like that. Just like that. Once you lift the fork, as you can see, it's pretty, take the print of the fork. Pretty beautiful. I don't have as much, but I'm gonna make it work. Basically, you just join it, push down, and turn and twist. So you get the rigid of the dessert. That's one. And the next one. And turn. Just like that. And that's the next one right here. You can just put it in the corner. Just like that. And I have a small one. One's for last. Top it off just like that. Then, if you want to use the same decoration, you can do the same decoration in these. You can do different types of design. Just like that. Just trying to show you a different way of a presentation. Of all different ways. And then I'm gonna put this. Actually, I'm gonna put a little something different. I'll put some raspberry, dehydrated raspberry, to top it off, to bring off the color. And then the last, what I'm gonna do, nothing beat confetti dust. I have to top it off with this. This just kind of make it pop a little bit. And there you have it. So we have mango passion fruit, and we have chocolate fudge, and we have chocolate buttercream. So there's a different kind of way how to plate your macaroons, and this is the way you can plate your macaroons VVIP style. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to doing more videos, and please like and share and subscribe if you think this video was helpful. All right, peace. Bang.